Okay, so out of all of you, I mean apart from you, because I know, okay, who went to private school? Who went to private school? Okay. Really? I said that's weird. Recreational sport, okay, football, rugby, whatever it is. Who does fencing? I mean, who's really good? It's weird because every sprayer I see is a natural fencer. They're just really, really good. Why? Because everybody steps up, right leg forward. If you look back on the videos that we've done, every one of you will always be right leg forward. Happens every week, which is fine, okay? So from yourself, come around here, you three. Stand up here. You three stay there, okay? Come up a bit further. All right, so tell me, okay? You guys down there, can you see how far I am from the surface before I pull the trigger? Yeah. You know, so when I pull the trigger, I've got an idea. Can you? No, and neither can I. And this is the biggest mistake that all sprayers make. I watch it 1,000 times. Your right leg forward. Take a look down when you're spraying your right leg forward, which is great until you pull the trigger. You can't see. There's not enough information. So, the easiest and the most accurate and the best outcome for spraying is quite simply change feet. Now, I can see everything. But if you look, or if I look, where is my shoulders, where's my head? It's facing the gun. It doesn't face the wall. I'm not interested in the wall, never have been. I'm only ever interested in the gun and what comes out of the gun. Now, I can see everything. I can read everything. I can adjust instantly. I can make those adjustments perfectly. And I've got all of this area, look. So now, look, see how my arm's full, comes back, look at the elbow, the shoulder drops a little bit. Now, my knees are going down. But my wrist is staying to the surface. Change your feet. Change your feet. It will make the biggest difference.